Questo pagello.
I'm in the Greystone kitchen, and Chef Bartolotta is showing off his seafood, which is all imported from all over the place.
Very sweet, very cheap.
Yeah, not too expensive. 8-9 euro. 8-9 euro.
8 euros a kilo.
Yeah.
This is the best.
This
is the best shrimp
65
ever.
euro a kilo.
Euros is my 15.
Okay, give me the name of a good fishing boat. I start buy from you, from Greece. These 58 euro.
That's a soft shell from where?
Venezia, Doro.
Venezia. I
Moecche.
ate that.
Moecche.
I ate that. Yes. I ate that in Venezia.
Sogliola Adriatico. Non Atlantico, Adriatico.
I know. We have it in Greece.
Yeah, nice. Yes. Naselline. Capone gallinella. We call gallinella, capone.
Capone, scorpio.
Scorfano.
Scorfano.
Scientific name Scorpena scrofa. Zeus Faber.
Christoforos. The Christ fish.
Yeah. San Pietro. Rombo.
Turbo, yes.
Rombo mediterraneo. Questo mediterraneo, questo atlantico.
No.
Mediterraneo. Atlantico. Mira la color.
Macro, eh?
No.
No.
Suro.
Suro. In the Sartina family, I know. Safridi.
Sì. Suro.
Beautiful.
Sugarello or suro.
Yes. I don't like this fish.
I love this fish. Great crudo. Japanese restaurants, they use it. They use this like aji. In the aji family. Yeah.
So that was just Chef Paul Bartolotta talking about the seafood that he's brought to the California CIA, the Culinary Institute of America's Greystone